if you want to print on your iPhone 16e, what you can do is essentially find the document or photo or anything else that you wish to print. So let's say I'm going to choose this photo as an example. Then you are looking for this icon over here. You can also find it, for example, in the Files app or in Notes, etc. So let's select this button. And now over here from these options, you want to select Print. Once you go over here, you should be able to choose the number of copies, the paper size, and you can also tap on the printer over here because we need to connect with our printer. So the iPhone will now look for printers. Unfortunately, there is no single method that allows you to connect a printer wirelessly. This depends on the printer model itself. So you need to find instructions or a manual how to do that on your specific printer in order to make your iPhone detect it over here. Once you find it, you should be able to select it, and then you can press print here in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.